Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2009 all the way up to 2020. The cabin air filter is located just behind the glove box on the passenger side. So first thing what you want to do, you want to open the glove box. Okay, what you want to do now, you want to push onto these pins on the side to unlock this glove box so you're able to pull it down. Now I'll try to do this with one hand, so you pretty much have to push this in, and that way you'll be able to lower down the glove box. It's much easier if you do it using both of your hands, but anyways, so you don't have to remove the glove box. This will give you enough space to access the cabin air filter. Okay, now on my Journey there is some kind of a tape here, so I guess this cover is broken or something. But anyways, on your Journey you will have two black clips. One will be here on this side, another one should be on the other side. Like I said, I have a tape here, so mine is probably broken, but yes, it's supposed to be here. So to remove this cover now, all you want to do is just press onto these clips and pull the cover towards yourself. And now you will get access to the cabin air filter. To remove the old dirty air filter, you just want to pull it straight out. Just like this. And once you have done that, you want to make sure there is no any debris inside, and then you can just install your new cabin air filter in its place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can see my filter, it was not replaced for a couple of years at least, probably, by the looks of it. There's so much dirt inside, that's crazy and very unhealthy, because all the air you breathe while you drive, it goes through this filter. So it's even better to drive without the filter than to drive with this kind of a filter. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.